Hey there, savvy savers and future financial moguls. Welcome back to Dollar Eye, where we make managing your money as easy as pie. Actually, easier than pie because budgeting doesn't involve any baking. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of budgeting and investing. First up, the basics of budgeting. Ever feel like your money disappears faster than socks in the laundry? Fear not, because tracking your expenses is like having a financial GPS that guides you away from overspending pitfalls. Think of yourself as a financial detective, Sherlock Holmes style, minus the deerstalker hat. Grab your trusty smartphone and start sleuthing through your expenses. Every latte, every impulse buy, it all gets logged into your expense tracker. Before you know it, you'll have cracked the case of the disappearing dollars. Now that you've mastered expense tracking, it's time to level up with a killer budget plan. Your budget is like the Gandalf to your Frodo, guiding you through the treacherous terrain of financial responsibility. All right, fellow money maestros, remember, save smart, spend wisely, and always keep your financial game strong,